Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. So here we go. Taya just called me, and tell me about so she did a lingerie store. Remember the prank we should pull up a man with her granny dress? Yeah man. She come tell me so she did a lingerie store now. And how she get nice lingerie and when she come home, a bag of things I got go on, you know what I mean? Friend me up. But here we go. So while she call me, when she come off of the phone, I was like, how me can get her back? So you know, so me I go, when she come home, she go eat her dinner, she go all her fresh and she get dressed in her lingerie thing, right? So me I go downstairs, prepare her dinner and carry it upstairs, give her and all that kind of stuff. So me I come back downstairs, come wash up the dishes while she go bathe. So when she bathe, come out in her lingerie, me I go just find beer things for the downstairs. You see me I say? So make sure that wait for me well sexy up and thing and I just find one bag of things for the downstairs and annoy the life out of her. So when she bathe, me I go set up a camera upstairs so that we can capture her reaction up there. Because I knew she got mad there, she probably got cuss out hell. You see me I say? And then me I go have a camera down here now. Pan me, I do everything when me down here I do. You understand me I say? It's gonna be epic, guys. How dare she come prank the general? She bright. You see me I say? Yo, stick around. That one here gonna be bad. Okay, guys. So she in the shower now. I take her. She take her shower over there. So. And she'll come out fancy up, one bag of sexy lingerie she'll put on and bathing, she'll play music. Me not even know if I can hear the music, but she'll play music. So I gotta make sure she knows, so I go back downstairs, go wash up the dishes, and when she done, she must call me. So stick around. That gonna be crazy as we can annoy the life out of her. Alright, watch this. Honey? Honey? Honey, me I wash the dishes, okay? Alright, yeah, mom make the tea for you. Okay guys, so I'm put in my earbuds so that I not hear nothing at all. I know she'll call me, So I go on my bicycle over there, so go and do some exercise, you know what I mean? She'll go mad like them time and I tell me I do exercise. So just stick around and wait for this.
Honey! Honey? Honey? Listen, let me call you. James. Where you
One cycle. You know, we pay for coming to the show.
So look how I'm coming on the show.
You never call me.
So what the tea down there asking for make for me?
I never remember.
So what you doing like what time is it now?
Yeah, but we know we pay for come out down and go and listen to some music until you're done.
Honey, it's after 11 now, like.
Yeah, but a long time I work out man and sit down in the couch every day and whatever I say, yo, why am I wait for you, I can just go on.
We're there all day for dinner, like, why no?
Honey, I wait for you to come out to the show. All you have to do is call me when you come out to the show, that's all.
I've been calling you though.
Yeah, but I have the earbuds go over here. So you want it now? You ready for the tea now?
Yes.
Alright, I'll get it now.
Alright, hurry up and come, please.
Yeah, man, I'll come now.
Because I get sleepy.
Alright.
People be and they are wait for him and still downstairs. They are all day there. And I know you choose to go to cycling. Really?
Alright. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna call one of my friends them. Call one of my friends. And them on the phone and chat about other things. You see me I say? And when she come, I tell her, say, him call me. And him have some issues, so I have to help him with it. You see me I say? Alright. What you are doing? Oh, yeah. John. I'm not telling you, one of the social media boss, man. Okay. Straight. So what are you going to do? Yeah, me there I hold your hand, man. Eh? What you say? No, I'm just there, man. Give me a second. Give me a second. Yeah. No, man. I tell you, I want to match up the thing in the night for you. You know what I mean? Yeah. Straight. So, wait upon. Straight. Oh, the last one? I'm simple thing that, brother. Everything all good at. No, that's simple thing for you, man. Get next week and a half. You're gonna say 4, 5, 6. You know what I mean? Straight. You gonna bed early tonight? Cause you don't know when we done up the thing, I might send it across and make you give me some feedback. You don't know the thing go. Alright, blessings, eh? Yeah. Alright, guys, so right now, I'm gonna turn it that way there. Cause what I'm gonna do, but just gonna appear foolishness, me do, just annoy the life out of her. So I'm gonna go and let me straight up the cushion them over there, so. You see me I say? So I'm gonna turn it round that way there. You see me? Right there, so she can't see the thing right there, you know, cause it's behind some flowers and all these things, so. Over there, so. Yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna just go over this now. Go and let me straighten up the, the cushion them. Some like a foolishness. You don't know the thing go. Just annoy the life out of her. But she want to go prank the boss.
No real sense at all. It's not adult. It's just gonna make no sense. I don't know what's going on tonight. I don't know what's going on. This doesn't make no sense though. Oh dear. Okay. What you really left on my youth? What you really left on?
Now I hear them move the cushion them man like.
What is the problem? What the problem? They say something to the way you don't like or what's going on?
No,
What
I just straighten up the thing.
First, you're there on that. You're there on phone. Now you're straight up. Pull your day and straight up. So 11 o'clock at night. Now you're straight up.
Honey,
like, what is going on?
You make a big deal out of nothing.
No, what's going on though?
What do you mean what's going on with what?
So all of a sudden you find time for do all of these things, but we can't get up for do nothing at daytime. You sit down all day. No at night, 11 o'clock. My bed, I come home, my bed, I tell us I buy something nice, we put on for you and whatever. Like, what is?
No, but so, I just come upstairs, I'm going to cushion them out of place, I'm just fix them up to come upstairs.
They cushion them?
Yeah.
I mean, they cushion them up on the ground, you know, walk past them like you know the same. So
no, but,
all of a sudden, now we have fix cushion.
No, because I don't want them to fit up on the ground and all these things. You see what I'm saying?
Honey, talk to me. Talk to me.
Honey, no problem.
What's going on?
No, go on.
Because this is not like you. Like, seriously, talk to
Honey,
me.
I just fix the cushion and come upstairs. Just make a big deal. You come downstairs before I reach upstairs. 1, 2, come here and go upstairs.
So how much time you have to come down here for? I don't understand.
How much time you come downstairs? One time?
You know they have kill sweat and work out. Now you're up on phone, now you have fixed pillow. I don't understand like what
Honey, you just make a big deal for the thing.
Listen, do not tell me that I'm making a big deal out of anything, babes.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the TV.
I am feeling some kind of way and I don't like it.
Why?
I don't like it.
Somebody shouldn't fix it.
So whatever it is, you need to let's talk.
But
let's
what?
talk.
But what?
What do you mean about what? This is not like what is this?
Honey,
What are you doing?
the cushion them did stay like this.
Honey, all when the cushions are on the ground, if I'm piece of paper they on the ground, gonna tip over like on the seat. So you have to say 11 o'clock now you find time for you to fix pillow like
Upstairs may I come in?
What?
Upstairs may I come and you come downstairs just before me come. If you stay up to 10 seconds more when I reach up there.
Lord, you know something I may pray, I may read my Bible. Honey,
Bill, no my girl,
honey, talk to me.
Talk to you about what?
Talk to me.
About what?
Talk to me.
Honey, you're paranoid right now. I'm gonna go upstairs, cause
I am not paranoid. This don't make sense though.
I'm gonna go with that fresh and then we come down the bed.
You know that I'm waiting on you up there and whatever the penny them
How do you come? You say you want some?
on the phone.
But the man called me though. Man, I got you some issues.
So it couldn't wait until tomorrow?
No.
Me have issues upstairs right now.
What can I do?
Oh, you solve somebody else's issues and me have issues upstairs.
But me I come up there, honey. The man called me. The man I go through some issues with the woman. But it's like the man that like a program. What the problem? You're not going to me? You're going to me?
Really?
Honey, you just make a big deal out of nothing. Them thing are simple thing. Come to me.
No, you don't appreciate me at this point because guess what? Me up on the road all day. Me come home. Me do what I'm supposed to do. Me beard, me look nice. Me spray up nice. Me put on the lingerie. You don't appreciate it? Alright.
Honey, me appreciate
No,
it.
it's okay. It's alright. It's alright.
Honey, Bill, no?
Yeah, we're good, man. I'm done. We're good.
Honey, just make a big deal out of
I'm
nothing.
always making a big deal out of nothing, right? Because I'm crazy. I am crazy. So this is normal.
Honey, may I come up with tea now? You still want the tea?
No, it's okay. I don't want a tea.
Alright.
No, I no tea. It's alright. This don't make no sense, man. You know what? Since as a so. Since as a so. Since as a so.
Yo guys, she pissed as hell. But we're no business. That she forget. Alright. Yo, may I go upstairs now. I tell her I prank still. So may I go upstairs. I not carry the camera here because you don't know we have the other camera upstairs. So we're just catching up on the one day. Alright?
Since as a so. It's all good. It's all good, my dear. What else am I to say? Just go read my Bible and go to bed because I'm not dealing with that tonight. This just don't make no sense whatsoever. This is just ridiculous. All of these excuses, really? You know what's so funny? What may I read tonight? Psalms 118. May they have verse 22.
Hold on, do.
Hold up. May they have verse 22. Hear what 22 say. Psalms 118 verse 22. The stone the builders rejected has become
Honey,
capstone.
you make a big deal out of nothing. It's a prank. A prank may I prank you. You love the pranking thing and you can't take the pranking thing.
What pranking thing?
So the camera over here says, prank me, I prank you. You see me? Huh? Yeah. Guys, you see? Them love gear, them can't take, you know. See? What the heck? So what is now?
What do you mean, so what is? Me go put it on because I said no. I said no, you really take this thing for joke like you have to for granted like this don't make no sense. So
Honey, I'm fool.
No, I'm not fool, but I said no.
So it's okay for you prank me and me can't prank you. You see what's there, guys? Yo, I'm gonna drop back for the granny dress.
No, man, I said after you piss me off that 3 times, I said, this is it. I said, you can put on me.
No, you know
where you want to say tonight, and this me I got my bed, you know.
Really, guys?
Yes, really, really.
Yo. Yo, honey, we don't know the pranking thing with you, cause yo, it's serious. How do you think this? Honey, you need to take this out of the house though.
Honey, like, come here, what the heck you doing downstairs for so long? Look how long we done been up here.
Guys, honey, draw back for the granny dress stuff. Yo, let it draw back for the granny dress, guys.
Yo, I said just so funny that I was here watching, reading Psalms 118. I said just like I'm come because my day about 17, I'm come up me read a few more verses. I said, watch ya, the stone the builders rejected has become the capstone. Just read it.
Wow. Struggle real pan papi. I'm not cut out for the prank thing, guys. You see me? I should alone for prank, cause I try a little thing. She got 10 million miles an hour. Stand back upstairs. Take off back the nice lingerie and go and put on back the granny dress.
You never appreciate it. You never appreciate it.
Yo, right now, I have to just dash with that out of the house.
Like, say,
big man thing.
Like me, you know, beg you something or me run it down or whatever. Like 3 times by your wife, 3 times, but come upstairs and appear foolish.
But a prank you do. You couldn't just, we have to go back and put on that. Honey, come. Seriously, gotta cut that.
No, because me say anytime you come in, anytime I decide to come upstairs tonight, and this year I go see and it a work.
Alright, go take it out.
Go
take care of that now. Guys, I try a thing. I don't know if it's a team Poppy or team Taya. Uno decide. You see me I say? Just like that video, yeah?
So you have to do me up on my lingerie and stuff?
Yeah, man, them like it, man. Guys, if you don't like the lingerie, just give it a thumbs up, you know what I mean? I know nothing too extra. One thing, guys, thumbs it up. Thumbs up the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And the pop star them big up on yourself. We love you know. So uno decide if a team Taya or team Poppy. Me don't know. Cause I try a thing and it come like it backfire for me. Cause that granny dress have to go. She has to show work tomorrow.
The next man come here and say,
no, but you can't draw back for the.
Make no sense.
Yo.
Yes.
Struggle real, guys.
I mean, I still got my night in, but I just say, you know what, I just put this on because I want to piss you off when you come upstairs tonight.
Wow.
So I say, alright, watch me any anytime you come on. So stay downstairs. I mean, so why you act so? I couldn't understand it.
Wow. Guys, big up on yourself. Don't know, we love you know. Pop stars.
You're pranking because, may I tell you, you never come up and just, so you know, I'm going to continue to read that.
So you never see the camera upstairs around?
Oh, I see the camera around.
Yeah, man, you broke here, man.
Okay,
see.
So I bet you not catch me again.
But I'm not another prank thing with her. Guys. Guys, she get too defensive and we don't know if it's if she win that prank there.
Then if me downstairs this hours a night and I do one bag of foolishness, I mean, please tell me that you wouldn't react to that. Seriously. Wouldn't you have reacted to that?
I guess I would. Guys, thumbs up that video. Share it out.
I'll put on my nice wig and sitting, guys. I mean, I say, you know, yeah, tonight I eat.
Alright. Remember, say what on the camera. Alright, guys. Big up on yourself. If I get too steamy right now.
You smell nice.
That me say, music I play. One bag of thing I go on over here, guys. Alright. Big up on yourself. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a bag of comment for it. Uno tell me if a team Poppy or team Taya. Me don't know.
There's no team right here. Whatever.
Alright,
Team
guys.
Taya straight, so you don't know that.